Welcome back. So this lecture is about introduction to containerizing the Blazor WebAssembly app. Remember, we have earlier discussed in detail about how to containerize the Blazor server app, and now we have found that it is quite trivial to create a Blazor server app, or you can say it was quite easy to do so. However, Blazor WebAssembly projects present us with a different challenge. Now, when published, they produce static files. Unlike Blazor server apps, we don't need the .NET Core runtime to serve them. This means we can drop the .NET Core runtime Docker image that we used in part 1 as the base for our final image. So how are we going to serve our files? So the answer is Nginx. So what's Nginx? Nginx, for which the official website link I have put in the resources, is an open source free web server that can be used to serve static web pages fast. And also there is a Docker image for Nginx, in fact several versions, but we'll be using a lightweight Alpine Linux image which carries a light payload, and it has everything we shall need to serve our WebAssembly application. Now Nginx, this web server's Docker images are only having Linux containers, so there is no Windows version unfortunately, but we can easily get around that problem by actually selecting now here you can see that Docker desktop is running. So if I click it, switch to Linux containers, so it means that it is on the Windows container, so you can switch to the Linux containers. It takes a wee bit of time and it is going to switch to Linux containers. That's why you could again re-switch it back to the Windows containers.